Ever wonder why some adult children maintain a deep respect for their parents while others go completely cold? It turns out it's not just about how you raised them. There's a story about a young man who thought his parents were suffocatingly strict. He wanted out. He wanted to live life on his own terms without their rules hanging over his head. He rebelled, and within a couple of years, his life hit rock bottom after one final explosive blowout. He slammed the door and told his parents he'd never wanted to see their faces again. He swore he'd never step foot in that house as long as he lived. He moved thousands of miles away, trying to prove he could make it on his own. He met new people, saw how the rest of the world lived, and very quickly the reality set in. He started to miss them. He realized that every piece of advice and every hard conversation they'd had was actually rooted in love and wisdom. The world started to look gray. Nothing felt right. More than anything, he just wanted to go home. But how do you show up on that doorstep after the toxic things you said? How do you look your mother in the eye after all the sleep she lost crying over you? He traveled back to his hometown, tracked down some old friends, and asked them to deliver a letter to his parents. In it, he begged for a second chance. He wrote, "If you've forgiven me, tie a white cloth to the old apple tree in the yard. If I see it, I'll know I'm welcome back inside." The next morning, his heart was in his throat. He decided to walk the last mile to clear his head. As he rounded the bend, he saw his childhood home in the distance, but something was wrong. He couldn't even see the bark of the old apple tree. As he got closer, he realized why. The tree was glowing white. Every single branch, every twig, and every limb was covered in thousands of white ribbons. His parents, terrified that he might miss a single small scrap of fabric and keep walking, had spent the entire night tying a ribbon to every inch of that tree. They wanted to make sure that from a mile away, their son knew one thing: you are forgiven. Come home. The mirror effect. Why? Children push away. This story hits on the complex, often painful tightrope of family dynamics. But is it all just about parenting styles? Can you actually train a child to be your soulmate when they grow up? The renowned American psychoanalyst James Hollis offers a profound take on why the bond breaks. The quality of our relationship with others is never better than our relationship with ourselves. It's a mic drop moment for any parent. Think about the people you know who have zero connection with their adult kids. Usually, if you look closely, they don't have deep friendships either. They don't have passions or a sense of hope. They are often stuck in a cycle of resentment, irritability, and bitterness toward life. If you dig deep enough, you find that they don't actually like themselves. People are naturally repelled by that kind of stagnant, negative energy, even their own children. The kids stop calling, they stop visiting, and they stop inviting the parents over, not out of disrespect, but out of a subconscious need for self-preservation. The parents misinterpret this as a lack of gratitude, never realizing the call is coming from inside the house. There's an old piece of wisdom that rings true across every culture. No one will ever feel at peace in your company until you are at peace with your own solitude. Before we worry about whether our children respect us, we have to ask, do we respect the person we've become?